I haven't mowed my lawn all year, and this is why. Okay, welcome back everybody. This is the second video for my Luba 3 all-wheel drive. I haven't mowed my front yard. Once I initially set this up in spring, I haven't even touched it with a rotary mower, reel mower, anything. I've just had the Luba mowing the front lawn. So, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set it up, going through the app, how to map your perimeter, how to set schedules, everything you need to know about the Luba 3. Let's mow.
Start charging.
Oops, my bad. So I've had this Mammotion Luba 3 now for about 2 months, and right now it is June 1st, so welcome to summer. And I've had this thing mowing for me all year. The last 2 months I've had it mowing just the front yard, haven't touched it myself. Very pleased with it. So how I set it up was I have the station here. It does not need an RTK station anymore. It just runs off the eye. The eye that I'm talking about, of course, is the world's first tri-fusion system that integrates 360-degree LiDAR, vision, and net RTK to deliver 0.4 inch of precision, which is a really fancy way of saying it's going to know where it is. The initial startup is a little bit of a process, getting it onto your Wi-Fi. It also has a 4G network going through the app, but it's a very simple process. There probably will be an update to your software or your firmware on the Luba once you initially install it with the app. Then go through the process. Once everything is good to go in the app, it's as simple as just navigating your robot around the perimeter of your yard. Because of how precise it is with the net RTK station, I do want to recommend that you get it as close to the edge as possible, because if you don't have it set to the very edge of your grass, you're going to have a couple of grass blades that are left over for you to weed whack later. This is also where you set up a no-go zone. If there was a tree inside the middle of this yard, you would simply just map a no-go zone around that tree. That way it knows to mow everything else and it won't go inside the no-go zone. If you have multiple lawns in different areas, let's say across a driveway, this is where you would go to set up 2 different lawns. You're mapping 2 different locations. What's crazy too is it has cloud backup for up to 10 lawn maps, which means you could map your mom's lawn, you can map your neighbor's lawn, you can map up to 10 different lawns, and it understands those lawns, and you can bring those to those places and it can mow the lawns for you. Once you're inside the app, it's completely mapped. It's as simple as just hitting mow. You set the height, you set the speed, you can set the pattern of the mowing stripes, everything within the app. And then it's as simple as creating a schedule. You could have it mow every day, twice a day, or you could have it manually mow when you want it to mow on a specific time. Now, I live in a neighborhood with really flat lawns, but this Luba 3 actually can do 80% slopes climbing power. It is all-wheel drive, and the battery life is really good. It can cover 1.73 acres a day. Now, I don't even own an acre lot, but I have 8,000 square feet of lawn, and this Luba can mow it all in one go. It does not need to come back and recharge, which is very impressive. I have my Luba behind my fence just because of theft or kids riding on it with Sharpies. Even though it is tracked GPS and does have anti-theft properties, I just feel better with it coming back here. So all I have to do is open the gate. It finds its way to its charging station. It's got really good backup skills. Wish you could back my trailer up for me. Then when it's all done, it just charges and we'll go back again when you tell it to mow.
Start charging.
Since it's been mowing for 2 months, I think it's probably time to change the blades, but they're still sharp. I'm still seeing good cut marks on the grass blades, so I think I'm going to run with it for a little bit longer, but it looks really easy to change out, except there's a lot of blades to change out. Simple screw, blade, new blade on there, and you're done. Then they're sharp as razor blades. Well, with all that being said, that is how easy it is to set up the Luba 3 on your phone, how to map a perimeter, how to map no-go zones, and that's kind of it. It knows its way around because of this eye. It knows its way back. Make sure you don't push all the buttons. It is truly a new age thing. I think Mammotion has put themselves technology-wise above everyone else. I'm not sure I could come up with any sort of upgrades I would do personally, but overall I think they nailed it, and I'm excited to keep this thing mowing my front lawn. I might even have it do the back lawn. However, I got 3 kids and a dog. I don't want them trampling in all the grass. So Mammotion also does make a robot that has a that has a grass catcher, so that's something to think about too if you want to pick up your clippings. But this is awesome. Cuts super cleanly. Love it in the front yard, and I'm excited to see what it does the rest of the year. So thank you for watching, and have a safe summer. See you guys in the next one.
Start working.
Well, let me get the door for you, buddy. There you go. All right, you go cut some grass now.